Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am doing the dollar store challenge. For those who don't know, it's pretty much when you go to Dollar Tree, buy some props, pick whatever you want, and get creative with your photos. In summation, you can make something look pretty bomb for pretty cheap. So here's me and my model, Miss Karissa, in Dollar Tree. We're just picking up some things that we had in mind. I had a little list. And we're gonna get into it. Yes, get into it. Also, I need some more people to comment secret on my last video if you want me to drop that. It's literally been overcast all day, and now it wants to freaking rain. Why? Luckily, it stopped raining, so me and Chris are headed to the park to take our pictures. So today we're using 3 items: a mirror, a pink vase, and a laundry bag. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking so you guys sit back and enjoy. Results are at the end of each item. Okay, I'm gonna get some over your shoulder so I can get this and get your reflection in the mirror. Cause we bad and bougie in the Dollar Tree. In the Dollar Tree.
Sleep on this Dollar Tree. Couture, okay?
Okay. We serving looks in the Dollar Tree. And you like, okay. Yeah. I'm gonna move this camera. We so excited. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I love it, Bree. I love it. Yes.
Just vibing.
Ole.
Ole! Andale. You know what? I kind of like that. Hold on. Just keep doing it. I'm going to just record you in slow-mo. Let me get you out of manual. Alright, and go.
Ole.
Ole! Andale! Alright.
It's like the happiest person in the world. Try Glenn's new laundry bag.
Look at this laundry bag. It's beautiful.
Storage that takes your breath away.
Okay.
Let's see about
Is it possible that we can like cut it in half or like rip it open?
I think we can. We bust it like right here.
Yeah. Bust it. Bust it. Look at all that muscle strength.
I'll show you what to do with a laundry bag.
There we go. Boom. That's perfect. Boom. In the wind. Gone with the wind. Fabulous. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This looks like the ghost challenge. I'm done. All right, to the top of the, closer to the top of the hill we go. I'm gonna walk up towards you. I wish it was bigger, but it's okay. We're gonna do it. As it's winding. Okay, this is a video, so you can just do whatever's. Yeah, I like that, I like that, I like that. Yeah! Alright, that's it. That's a wrap.
The Dollar Tree challenge was super fun, super creative. Got to play with this stuff.
Laundry bag.
Laundry bag. Thank you for letting me be a part of this.
Yes, thank you for coming out. And that's a wrap. That's a wrap.